Hi viewers, welcome to Digital Halwa online digital marketing training session. Today in this video I am going to explain you how to create lead generation campaign in Facebook and Instagram. It's very easy steps. In order to create a lead generation campaign, it is very easy. First of all, in order to create Facebook lead generation campaign, we must need a personal profile as well as a business page. Then only we can create ads. After creating a personal profile and a business page, go to ads manager, Facebook ads manager. Once you go to Facebook ads manager, you can able to see create option. Click on create. Here it will ask you to choose your campaign objective. Choose your objective. My objective is lead generation. Here we have more than 11 types of campaigns. Like in order to reach more number of people, you can choose reach. In order to get branding for your business, you have to choose brand awareness. If you have any app, mobile app, either it's an like Android or iOS, you have to go. In order to increase your app installations, you have to choose this one. If you want to increase your engagements for your post, like likes, shares, comments, like that, you have to choose this thing. If you want to drive traffic to your landing page, then choose this one. If you want to increase video views for your video, you have to choose this. If you are a e-commerce store, then choose this store traffic, like kind of things. Scroll down, click on continue. Before creating a campaign, it's better to create like ad copy. It's better to keep ready those all things, like whatever the ad copy it is. I'm editing their name. I'm keeping some shortcut name in order to remember easily. Okay, campaign name, something like this. Don't do any changes here. Just click, scroll down and click on continue on the right bottom. Set ad set name. Same, I am keeping same thing. Here choose Facebook page. If you have more than one page, then you have to choose out of those pages. If you have any single page, then simply choose that page. Scroll down, catalog, nothing. Here keep your daily budget. If you click on this daily budget, you will find lifetime budget as well, but I am going with my daily budget. I am keeping my daily budget as 800 rupees. See, here you can find the total number of people, potential people, and how much impressions you can get. Out of that, how many leads you can get. Minimum 16 I will get, maximum 47 leads I can get for 800 rupees per day. And when it comes to reach, it will reach to minimum 4700 people, max to max 13,000 people. This is one starting date. This is just an optional starting date and ending date. Scroll down. If you change here daily budget, then here leads reach will also change. See, I am keeping as 1000. Now leads came to 20. Scroll down. Here you have to choose your targeted location where you want to show your ads. I want to show my ads exclusively in Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh. I'm just selecting that location. Even you can keep radius as well. I don't want 40 kilometers. I just want 20 kilometers of Tirupati. So I changed. Okay. For Tirupati location, for 1000 rupees, I will get 13 to 37 leads. Minimum 13 I will get. Even if you want to reduce again, you can reduce to 17 as well. Yeah, I reduced to 17. Scroll down. Here depends on your business. You have to choose your age group. For my business, it's better if I go with 23 to 50. My business serves to only, it's like for women, so I was choosing only for women. See, now again it was reduced to 6. If we go with men, then it was 7 to 24. If we go with women, it's 6 to 19. Here you can choose like a detailed targeting methods as well, like if you want to target only entrepreneurs or small business owners or parents with see, I will show you an example of parents with the kids, teenagers with the teens, children, preschools, toddlers, like that you can target, depends on your thing. If you want target entrepreneurs, you can target as well interest, like this you can target, it's up to you. Scroll down. Here you can find automatic placements and manual placements. Automatic placements in the sense completely in Instagram and Facebook, wherever it displays paid ad. When it comes to manual, you have to choose where you want to display your ads. Facebook and Instagram I want to show. Okay, in Facebook feed and Instagram feed I want, so I am not editing. And even in Instagram stories and Facebook stories I want to display, so I am keeping that one. I don't want to display in in stream in the sense like in between of videos. Even I don't want to display in search, in article. So I removed those things and go to next step. That is on the right bottom you can find next. This is the final step. Again change here ad name. I'm keeping my shortcut as Tirupati. Facebook page already selected, Instagram account already. Meanwhile, before, it's important to create Instagram account, that to Instagram business account, and you have to link that business account with your page, then only you can able to see here your Instagram account. Scroll down. Format, if you want to display a single image, then go with that. If you want to display more than single, then use carousel. I want to display single image. Sorry, my creative here is video, so I selected that one. Edit, change. You have to upload that video to your page, then it will be visible here. Just a second, my network is a little bit slow. No, change image. Actually, our video will show here actually. Meanwhile, I'll show you my ad copy. What I want to see, I already created some text. What I want to show to my viewers, so I'm just copying it. Control C, copy. Here you have to paste that thing. Whatever I copied now, I am pasting here. Because of network issue, it's becoming delay. I pasted text here. See, you can able to see that text thing here, like some kind of preview. My text will show display like this, and this is the footer. In between of these two, you can able to see my creative. Okay. Here is the headline. Even we kept ready these all things. So I'm choosing this one headline. Paste. Here description is optional. If you want to display, you can display. Else keep it like that. I'm just going with the display link, like my website URL. Apply now. We're using as call to action button as apply now. Due to my network issue, I am facing this problem actually. Else it will be very just one or two steps. We left with single step. If we create a contact lead generation form, then it will be completed. Okay. Here instant form I have to choose. Here you can create new form or else you can go with an existing form. I'm going with existing form. Srimati. Okay, Srimati Kitchen, Tirupati leads. I'm going with the existing form. This form I created earlier. That's it. If we choose this creative and click on publish, that's it. If you have any doubts, kindly comment on the below this video. Then I can able to create either new video or I can able to solve your issue. Okay. Okay guys, see you.